Uh, okay, welcome back, guys. This is question 11, paper 2, chapter 3, LUS, your integration. Okay, let's go to the question. Diagram 4. Diagram 4 shows part of the curve y equals to 6y minus y square. Okay. Oh, okay. It's not y equals to, it's x equals to 6y minus y square, and part of the line y equal to x that intercept at point B and O. Okay. So 0, 0 is one of the point lah. Okay. And B also is given 5, 5 ready. Okay, good. Now find the area of shaded region. Okay, how to find the area of shaded region? Okay, we need to see this. So, many will think that we can do like this, right? Okay, you find everything under this curve and then take out the triangle, you'll get the shaded region. Okay, that's a good idea. But then, what could be the problem is curve. Our curve is x equals to 6y minus y square. Kalau macam ni kita gunakan x-axis, betul tak? We are using x-axis, right? To when you're using a dx, you need to give the answer in y terms. This is very hard to get your y terms, you know. So you see y square minus 6y is equals to x. How to find your y? You know, you cannot separate them. So therefore, don't use the y-axis. Don't use the x-axis lah. Okay, kalau saya guna x-axis, okay, you cuba tengok. Saya guna x-axis, this one is 5, right? So 5, 0. And this is x-axis, right? Okay, so this should be y. Betul tak? To find the area. But you don't have anything, so you see the y, I cannot make the y as a subject in this case. So don't use the x-axis lah. Use the y-axis. If you're using y-axis, so this is 0, this is 6. Okay, you need to cut out this part lah. I mean, you can take okay, let me see first. Maybe we think differently, little bit differently for this question. Maybe I can think this way. You know, this is a straight line, correct? Until here it's a straight line, correct now? So until here it should be a triangle area, correct? So you just need to, this is 5. Now you can see very clear, right? So this is your A, this is your B lah, let's say. So your A, area of A is, it go until 6 to 5, and you need to give your son, you want to use your dy. So use your x lah. 6y minus y square. Correct? Okay. Then evaluate this value. So 6y square over 2 minus y cube over 3. You need to substitute with 6 and 5. So 3, 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3y square and minus this part. I'm taking 6 divided to 3 here, this part. Okay. Okay, now you can use your calculator and straight away calculate the answer. Okay, 6x minus x square. In your calculator, put the question, not the integrated form. So when you do this, I'm getting 8 over 3. Okay, right. So part B, the region B is an area of triangle, right? So 1 over 2, you can see the base is 5. The height is also 5 because it put 5, 5 what? Okay. You all get me, this is 5 and this one also 5 what? Okay, so this one you will get 25 over 2. So total area, shaded area is A plus B, 8 over 3 plus 25 over 2. So 8 over 3 plus 25 over 2 is 91 over 6. Yep, that is the answer. So, yeah, this question made me think a little lah. Okay, okay. We definitely cannot use the x-axis in this type of case. Okay. Okay, that one 5 marks worth it lah. 5 marks. Okay. Now, find the that one already done. Okay, now based on diagram 5 pula, okay, they give you different diagram and they want you to calculate the volume generated when the shaded region is rotated 360 on x-axis. Dia minta x-axis. So, very simple. When it is a triangle, when you rotate in your x-axis, can you see what it will form? It form a cone, correct or not? Let me extend it properly. Can you see? It form a cone. Betul tak? So nanti boleh lah. So, very simple. The strategy is volume below this curve minus volume of cone. So, kamu akan dapat shaded region punya volume. Simple as that, right? So, you all can see, right. So, first of all, you take this. We need to find this one. Okay, we know already. This is point given. This is 12. This is 0. So, okay, we will try to calculate this. Okay, what is the curve? The curve is x equals to y square. Betul tak? X equal to y square minus 4 lah. This should be your straight line. Yang ada square tu mestilah curve kan? So, integrate. But we are using dx means I need to add pi and a y square, correct? So, this is your volume. I can write it volume below the curve lah. Much better. Okay, so pi it between 12 and 0, your y square, just modify this equation, you get x minus 4 of dx. So when you integrate this, you get x squared over 2 minus 4x. 12, 0, and put a pi here. So you just, as usual, show your substitution. 0, 0, 0 lah here in this case. So use your calculator. Okay. X minus 4, 12, 0. I'm getting 24 pi. Seems very odd because I should be getting more than 24 pi if the answer is 56 pi lah. Okay, I found out where is my mistake. It is here. I made a silly mistake here. Y square is equals to x plus 4. So this should be plus 4. Okay, plus, and what should be the answer? The answer is 120 pi lah. And then you cut out the cone part. Volume of cone is equals to 1 over 3. Remember, cone is 1 over 3 pi. And then the radius. You rotate like this. This should be your radius lah. Your radius is, okay, this part. So the y-axis here is 4, right? So your radius is 4 lah. Okay, this part 4 so 4 square, and then the height should be 12, because your formula is 1 over 3 pi r square h. So this part should be your radius, this part should be your height. So what I'm getting here, 4 square multiply 12. Don't calculate the pi, you must calculate in terms of pi. And then divide by 3. 4 square times 12 divided by 3 is 64 pi. So volume of shaded, just simply take 120 pi minus 64 pi. So 120 minus 64, you should be getting your 56 pi, which is okay, not bad. They give 5 marks for this. Quite generous. Okay. So you calculate volume below the curve minus volume below the cone. Sorry, volume of the cone. You get your volume of shaded lah. So that's how you settle this question. Okay.